So I made the mistake of ending my last video, so now we get a part two. But looking at the code here, it looks like we made a little mistake. So when we're creating an element, instead of passing the h3 as a string, I've just put in the variable h3, but it makes sense that we got that error previously. Let's take a look here. So cannot access h3 before it's initialized. That makes total sense. So we need to use a string of the element that we want to create here. And if we go back, nice, it should be working correctly. So we can see that we've rendered out only 3 because we filtered out the mentors with less than 3 years experience. And then we've created our little strings with map, and then with for each, we've added them to the body, rendering them to the DOM. I'm hoping you can begin to see how complex or how dynamic you can start making your websites with just these 3 methods alone. There's actually several array methods to choose from. I encourage you to go through and check all of them out. If you're looking at the documentation for any of the array methods we covered, you'll find the rest of them just to the left of the page there. There's more than you'll probably need, at least for right now. Just to recap some of what we've covered. So we learned about for each. We learned about advanced array methods first and foremost, all of which take functions as arguments, which follow the same structure, where that function takes a current value. You've got access to the index and the array which you're iterating on. For each, it simply iterates over the array that you're operating on and gives you the facility to run a function for each item in that array. Map is a bit different in that it returns us a new array based on the function that we pass to it. So in this case here, we've created a function that returns us the mentor.name, meaning that we've created a new array with the mentor's names. And then finally, we've got filter that given a function that evaluates either true or false, will, if it evaluates false, remove that element for a new array, or if it returns true, it will include that element in our new array. And just like map, this does create and give us a new array to use. And because most of these array methods return a new array, we can simply chain them together, creating more advanced dynamic applications for this.